In this video, I'll show you how to turn off your last seen on your WhatsApp account. Kindly subscribe and like this channel to support me. So to get started, you need to log into your WhatsApp, and once you're on WhatsApp, press on chats, and from chats, go on the three dotted lines on the top right of your screen, and from here, tap settings. From settings, go to privacy, and from privacy you can see the last seen and online function. Press on it, and as you can see on the who can see my last seen, I have limited it to my contacts. Now if you don't want anybody to see your last seen time on WhatsApp, you come and select nobody. So once you tap nobody, no one will see the last time you were online. Now, there's still more functions. We also have the option of who can see you when you're online here. And in my case, everyone can see you. If you want it to be the same as last seen, where no one will know when you're online, you can tap on same as last seen. What you have to put in your mind is that if you don't share when you are last seen or online, you won't also be able to see when other people are online or when they were last seen. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.